In today's video, we'll be talking about the new Moment 5 updates feature that Microsoft is now enabling, and that is the new mobile device space, of course. It gives quick access to the screenshots and photos on your mobile device for editing using snipping tool. So let me show you how that works. First of all, I'm going to the settings app. Then we're going to select Bluetooth and devices and click on mobile devices. Now once you're here, you have to turn on the access to your mobile device and make sure that your device is enabled. If you want to choose another device, you can add one from here where you have to log into your Microsoft account. Once you've enabled your devices, you have to go to phone link and activate it and click on open phone link. And now as you can see, it gives access to all of the apps, messages and photos on your mobile device. This is the most important change from the updated beta camera build, and thank you for watching this video.